The Interreligious Council of Uganda, in partnership with the stakeholders, has unveiled the National Mobilization for Peace and Social Cohesion, an initiative aimed at fostering national unity, social accountability, and electoral preparedness through a multi-social engine framework.
We declare the National Mobilization for Peaceful, Credible 2026 Elections, Stability and Social Cohesion, this pastoral letter, officially launched.
In his speech to the congregation, the Archbishop Church of Uganda, His Grace Dr. Samuel Kaziimba Mugalu, also known as the chairperson for the Interreligious Council, voiced that the spiritual leaders are there to give guidance and also being custodians of the moral authority and national census.
You know, when there are conflicts, all people will come to our places of worship. So don't just chase away from these things. Because when there are instability, everybody will come to the church, to the mosque. Please hide, let us hide here. So we want to be part of this for peaceful elections. We cannot stand aloof when our country is at crossroads. We must accompany the nation during this important season.
His Grace furthermore urged the journalists and the online influencers to avoid dissemination of the false information during the elections, since they have the power to inform and unite.
This is media. You have that power to inform, inspire, and unite. We encourage you to verify facts before reporting. Avoid sensationalism and act as active agents of national building. Let your headlines promote hope, not hostility. Sometimes when things are peaceful, news reporters don't want to report that. When there's a problem, they report it. Except the news reporters here present, but others, they really do more harm than good. To our youth and citizens on social media, your voice is powerful. Use it to promote peace, tolerance, and constructive debate.
According to Bishop Joshua, the National Overseer, Association of the Pentecostal and Evangelism, stated that the national mobilization efforts rest to a social cohesion, mostly in the communities.
Somebody has gotten 7,000 votes, another one has gotten 50,000, and still goes to court. Do we really need that as a nation? Do we still need those kind of things? Can't we sit these people down and say, well, it is true you took a picture of this candidate paying 1, 2, 3 voters. But is that enough really? When you only got 7,000 and the other one got 50,000? Why don't you settle this? So this is the idea we have.
The chairperson of the Electoral Commission, Justice Simon Byamukama, in his address emphasized the importance of adhering to the Electoral Commission's laws and the Constitution during the elections. This call to action is crucial in ensuring that political parties operate within the bounds of the law.
As a commission, we are committed to do what the Constitution requires of us, to organize free and fair elections. But as I said, in order to achieve that, every agency, entity, or individual who has a role to play must act within their lane. You must follow your lane and act in accordance with the law. Do not try to veer from your lane onto another person's lane.
This call comes as Uganda prepares for the 2026 general elections, following a previous election marred by violence, loss of lives, and injuries, particularly among the youths.